Are you a developer who don't want to care about infrastructure? Good, because I have something for you. Heim and UpCloud started partnership, and now you as a developer, you can just use Heim platform and run everything at UpCloud without even knowing that. Let me show you that. Here we are in the Heim website. Now, what you can do is to go to download and download the proper package for your operating system. This will install the CLI. Then we can log in or create an account with, for example, GitHub. I already have it, so that's why I am already there. Okay, after successful installation of CLI, what we can do, we can run Heim server with Heim start. And this will give us exactly the same portal like we have online under heim.dev. But that's not all. That's just the start. Now, let's create a project. Heim new. Select the template. We will use TypeScript HTTP. What will be the name? Let it be Heim UpCloud demo. What will be the trigger path? Let it be hello Heim. Just use get and we have our project. Let's see it. Here it is. Let's go there. And now here in the configuration, we need to add one element just for now. Here in this configuration file, we have the full configuration of our application. We need to add one section more. It will be scaling. And in this section, we add the region where we want to run our application. It will be the list, and we will use just one. It will be UpCloud SE1. Just that. Let's come back to our console. Now, what we can do, we can just deploy it with Heim deploy command. We will deploy it on our local server, but we want to deploy it on the cloud. But before we do that, of course, as we have TypeScript, JavaScript application, we need to run npm install. Okay, all packages are installed, so let's do Heim deploy cloud. Enter. We wait for login. We need to log into the application. After it's done, it's done automatically. Everything is built and sent to the cloud server. Here we are. After a minute, everything is deployed. Let's go back to the portal. Let's see what is there. Do we have our application? Let's check. Yes, we have our Heim UpCloud demo here with some information, base information for performance of our application with beautiful dashboard and all information there. Nothing happened yet. So let's run some triggers there. Let's copy this endpoint. We have everything there. Let's go here, just paste it, and yes, everything works perfectly well. We can go back and see if we have something on our dashboard. Of course, we have one successful request, so the response to the dashboard is immediate or almost immediate. That easy it is. With Heim, you can install the CLI, create a template for your application. You have multiple languages there, multiple templates. Then you can add your own application with Heim deploy -- cloud. You deploy it at UpCloud. You don't care about infrastructure. We do it for you. So what are you waiting for? Start deploying your stuff.